Hi, this is Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Neuropathy Solutions, and I am here today with Frank. And Frank is a patient that came in for symptoms of neuropathy in his feet. So he was kind enough to come on board and talk to us. He's been under care here for just over a month, maybe a month and a half. And he's made some statements today how things have changed for the better. So I would like him to just share his story. So Frank, if you could just basically explain why you came to the office, maybe how you found us, and your experience since you started the neuropathy program.
Okay. Well, basically, I was looking for someone that might be able to help, and I saw your advertisement, and that was, to me, it was just something that I thought, wow, it's the first one that I've heard that can actually do something, hopefully, with peripheral neuropathy, which I've had for many, many years.
Right.
And part of the neuropathy that was the worst for me, besides other areas of the nerve damage, is my feet.
Right.
They're numb, and I would get electric shocks, just absolutely brutal, very, very, very painful. A number of times I would wake up in the middle of the night with these terrible shocks. And I was just telling you and your staff today, I have lost a lot of the pain that I was experiencing.
That's great.
And my feet feel a tremendous improvement within the month that I've been here.
That's fantastic.
So I'm very, very happy with what's going on so far.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sure.
So, Frank is a testament of basically helping him without drugs and surgery, because really, even medical doctors get frustrated because they just got to throw drugs at it because they really don't have any tools in their box as far as neuropathy. So if you're a loved one or suffering with neuropathy, please call us up. Becky or Jody will pick up the phone, maybe Sylvia will pick up the phone, and we can get you scheduled for a visit. You come in, see if this is the right thing for you. God bless. Have a good day.